Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.6, Problem 18. This is Section 2.6, Problem 18. It says subtract the fractions, and we have 8 over 77 minus 1 over 77. So, since the denominators are the same in both fractions in my question, I get to keep that same denominator for my answer in this particular problem, 77. And then I can subtract the numerators. 8 minus 1 is 7. So a lot of 7s. So the answer is 7 over 77. But I can see that this will reduce pretty nicely for me. 7 divides into both the numerator and denominator evenly. So for the final answer, I should go ahead and do that reduction. So 7 divides into 7 once, and then 7 divides into 77 11 times. So now my answer is 1 over 11. Now, could I reduce that any further? And the answer is no, I can't. So that's the final answer, 1 over 11.